Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat cameos if it is not showing up. So first of all, open your mobile phone and go to your Snapchat application. Now click on top left corner, that is your profile, and click on your settings, that is on top right corner, and scroll down a little bit, and as you can see there's a cameos options. Now as you can see my cameos is working fine because it is letting me edit my cameo. So if it's not showing you your cameos, then go to your settings on your mobile phone and go to your apps or applications and search Snapchat on the search bar, click on storage and clear data and clear cache, hit OK. After that it will show up, and if it's not showing up then means you haven't updated your Snapchat. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and click on Snapchat profile. As you can see my Snapchat is on the latest update, and after update if it is still not showing, then you should uninstall your Snapchat, then reinstall it again. And that's how you fix your Snapchat cameos if it is not showing up. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.